So, the center button on this iPod is borked. It is not working, and that is just something that happens with this specific unit. It was like that when I got it, and it just does that sometimes. Just every like year or so, I have to like open this thing up and just realign the like, I don't like know what it is, but like the clicky part of the button for it to like actually work. And that is kind of annoying, but it works, and I got it cheap, and it's flash modded, so you can see I've got Rockbox on it. Somehow I got it into this menu when I was charging it earlier, and I can't get out because the center button is borked. So the goal today is to fix it. Hopefully it's the same issue that I have been having and it's not just like dead. That would suck. Also, let's get this iPad out of here. I only had it there for the Dank Pods reference. I don't even watch Dank Pods anymore. This is still turned on, by the way. I can't turn it off because the center button's broken, so that's great. But I'm gonna take the battery out, so... It's kind of hard doing this, like, even when I'm not filming, but... Yeah, if you want to watch, like, a pro do this, watch Dank Pods. It's, like, one of the earlier videos. I'm bad at it. They say immediately popping it open faster than they ever have. Yeah, okay. I don't think I did that the right way, but pop that open pretty much immediately. Battery seems good. You'll see some unspeakable horrors went on in this thing. The headphone jack broke, I dropped it, and I replaced it with a used one. And then when I, for whatever reason, the like screw post, not on like the case, but like this, the like little screw bit, it just like broke. And I didn't want to buy another one. So I just hot glued it in place and was like careful to like not use too much so I don't break the screen. But, you know, yeah, unspeakable horrors. Take the battery out. Yeah, that looks fine. I'll set that over here. So the bit that I want to go to is on the other side of the motherboard. So I have to take basically everything out. You can see for some reason I did the big stupid and cut that little tab off. Don't ask why I did that. I was not that experienced when I first built this, and I'm surprised it even still works. Oh, okay. That's how you open that. Okay. So the unspeakable horrors have been removed. Surprised that even still works. Like, it's totally fine. It just looks bad, and you never notice it unless you're opening the iPod. Like, it's not great. It's a little bit loose, I guess, but you know, it's not too bad. Given it's literally just hot glue. I just realized I also forgot to show the center button not working, so you're just gonna have to take my word for it. I think I can kind of show, like, it's indented more than it should be. Yeah, that's not great. You can see how tiny these screws are, like it's focus. It's not even focusing on it, but you can see how tiny the screws are. The iPod video isn't too hard to work on. This is an iPod video, by the way. They're not too hard to work on. If it was a 6th or 7th gen, then yeah, those are a nightmare to work on. Again, watch Dank Pods if you want to see the suffering. I think two of these screw posts are actually broken. So there's only 4. I probably did that when I first took it apart, like the first time to like mod it, but I can't remember. Maybe it was like that when I got it. Okay. The Shrek pod lives. I've got this like glasses cleaning cloth just that I have for my glasses that I'm gonna use to clean the screen and plastic bit, just so I don't get dust under it. The click wheel aside, button. Yeah, that's drifted. It's like the little like plastic bit that goes over the actual button. It just like drifts out of like where it's supposed to be. Not really sure why it does that, but probably shouldn't have done that with the metal bit with the screwdriver, but yeah, you can see all the buttons have the like black plastic bit there, and the one for the center button just like drifts out from where it's supposed to be. Not really sure why it does that. It just kind of does that on this unit. Maybe the glue has gone bad or something, but it was like that when I got it. Yeah, that works. Okay, that feels a lot better. You can see it's not indented as much now. And it actually clicks. The other buttons click, so I should be good. Don't think I got too much dust under the screen. It actually looks completely fine. I didn't need the cloth. Surprising. So now I need to test it. Oh, test it. Hey, nice. Yep, I got Rockbox on here. I think I mentioned that already. It's not a sexy speaker, but it's good enough. Button works. Button works fine. That's the wrong folder. Okay, music. Click wheel works. Pick something I'm actually allowed to play. Okay. One of these cables. These like retractable ones. I don't particularly like it, but that's what I have. Yeah. Seems to work fine. Yeah. Yeah, that lock switch works. I assumed it worked because it wasn't turning on when I had it locked. Okay, yeah, it works. Good. Good. Let's click it back together. The best part. Pretty cool.